gonna get some new shots today, I believe. Welcome to the Chelton Project, folks. Today we got the hoe, and we're gonna take out this block wall right here, take out the shrubberies, the steps right here, best we can, and eventually haul some dirt in here and slope all this back down into the yard and dress it all in, and then get some gravel pulled in here. So yeah, come on. Bigger cool things you find. It's untelling. Oh, there it is. There's more down there. I don't know what it is, but there's more. Looks like an old oil can. They just shoved trash down in there. It's a whole fuel pump. For the next one. forever gravel guy coming, so yeah, I gotta go grab him some money. Alright, that's what we're going for right there. And then I float this out, but I have to go get some dirt too, which will be a few days, I think, before I can get the dirt in here. So I figured I'd get the driveway buttoned up here, at least out to about halfway, and then I can get in here and haul some dirt in. So let's go. Spreading the dirt out. Hopefully that'll get us enough dirt and hopefully get this job wrapped up. So, yep, let's do it. Alright, so there's 3 loads. That load's gonna go in there. It looks like a little better dirt anyways. So that load's gonna go fill in this bank, and then these 2 are gonna float it. And I've got 1 more. If I don't need it, it'll go in this hole or to the house or something. I don't know yet, but yeah, let's so I've been having issues with the mic, as I've said in the previous videos, and I've got this fluffy thing on here, and I thought I broke this mic, but it seemed to be working last night, and that's why it's nothing but time lapse, because I really, every time I try to stop with that other mic, it's directional. So as I pan the camera around and look at myself, you can hear me really well. As I pan the camera and look that way and talk behind it, you can't hear nothing. So I ruined a lot of footage yesterday. So hopefully you can hear me good in this with this new fluffy thing on it. So, all right, let's spread some dirt. Alright, that's what we're going for right there. So I'm gonna take the rest of this dirt and put in this hole over here and dress it up, and then go get some topsoil. I'll haul this brush off, so let's get at it. Think I get in trouble driving down the road with that? topsoil, just a load, just to put a small skim over top of everything. So I'm just gonna spread this out, and then after that, we'll go get the tractor and we'll spread this rock, and then that'll be a wrap for this one. All right, so that's got a layer of topsoil on it. It's amazing how much difference in that color it was. So I need to dress that up over there, and then I'm gonna go push some gravel, but we'll go get the tractor in a minute and spread all this out. So yeah, let's do it. So there we got it, folks. At 23 tons of Jellicoe's finest. Spread it all the way up through there, put some topsoil on. Now they should be able to seed and straw it. Once the grass grows, they should be able to mow all that. They're gonna eventually pour some concrete right there. Got the new road cut in, leading in, and then some parking, and then they can go up and around. They're gonna let this grow back into grass. So yeah, I got some topsoil down and should grow some good grass. So appreciate y'all watching the Chilton Project, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.